This is my hello, good evening. I went to share group and I went back to already. And this is my baby shark.
Who gave this to you?
Daddy. And I open it up and I make present and I was young. And see you next time. Bye.
Open your toy.
Can you?
Let's see what's inside.
It's already open.
Nice, you're already opened up. Wow, what's this? What's this?
I have apple. And I have my scooter.
Wow, a scooter. And what's this? Nuggets. Is that all?
Yes. Oh no.
What's this? Apple again. Oh, there's a sticker inside.
I have a sticker now. I have a sticker now. I have a sticker.
Are you happy?
Yes. Look at this.
Can I see? Can I see your sticker? Show it.
Look at this.
Show it here. You're sweaty, eh? Sweating a lot, ah.
Saan kayo galing?
Wala, dun lang. Sa Shell, malapit sa park. Oh, show your sticker. Can I see?
Yes.
Wow. So, you will put it in your...
Scooter.
Yeah. Say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. I thank you now. Mommy, I thank you.
Nag-thank you ako na kay Daddy. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. See you next time. I play with my toy now. Goodbye. I busy now. Goodbye.